Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. You know that I started the process of deep cleaning my home. So today we are going to deep clean the washing machine. I'm telling you that right now the washing machine is really bad. When I'm doing the laundry, I see that the washing machine needs to be cleaned, but I didn't know that it was that bad. I can hardly keep up with the daily task. So, deep cleaning the washing machine is a very hard and gross job. I have to also say that it's my fault because I had to do it more often. But today, I am going to deep clean the washing machine and I'm gonna try to do it more often so I can keep up with the cleaning so it doesn't get that bad. If you clicked on this video because you want to know how to clean your washing machine, keep watching because I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it, and after you clean it, your washing machine will smell good. As you can see, this is a very important part to clean, the soap dispenser tray, because it gets very moldy there. You need to clean this part very often. If you are going to clean your washing machine, don't forget about that part. Later on in the video, I am going to show you how to remove the tray completely so you can clean under, because you are going to be surprised to see how bad it is under there. After I removed the tray, I promise you, even I was shocked to see how dirty it was. I didn't want to wash the mold in my sink. That's why I decided to start cleaning it like that. But now I am going to show you how to remove the tray. If you pay close attention, you will see that there is a release button. You're gonna press on it and you're gonna pull out the tray. You see, it's easy. Maybe some of you don't know that it's a release button. If you didn't know how to remove your tray, this is how to remove it. And as you can see, it is really bad under there. To be honest with you, it's been more than a year since I removed this tray, okay? So it's really bad. You see, there's a lot of soap there. It needs to be cleaned. But first, I am going to wash the tray and I'm going to let it air dry. Now that this area is clean, I am just going to put the tray back. First, I'm gonna put all the pieces like the soap dispenser, the softener dispenser, the bleach dispenser, and then I'm gonna put the tray back. When cleaning your washing machine, this is another area that you can't skip. As you can see, there was a lot of dirt trapped there. You see, sometimes when I'm doing the laundry, I just quickly check to see if there's no socks. You know, when you have small socks, sometimes they get stuck there. So that's why after each load, I always do a quick check. But I never really took the time to open the door seal to see everything that was under there. And when I was cleaning the washing machine, I was like, oh my god, there was dirt there, there was mold. Ugh. It was gross. It was gross. I need to clean that more often. I'm just giving you a closer look so you can see how much mold I had there. I'm just being real with you and showing you everything so you can know what to expect when cleaning your washing machine. It's recommended to clean the washing machine once every month, but if you can't do it once a month, at least do it every 2 months, But when you let go like that for a very long time, it's what's gonna happen. It's honestly disgusting, but if we do it very often, it's not gonna be like that. It's gonna be easier to clean. We are not going to gross out when cleaning it. Usually, I spray the washing machine with glass cleaner, but today I decided to first spray it with all-purpose cleaner so I can really clean the outside of the washing machine. I'm just quickly sweeping the floor so I can clean the filter. First, you need to put a towel because you are going to get some water. And after you do that, you need to drain out the emergency drain hose. If you don't do that and you open the filter cover, you will get a lot of water on the floor. So always do that first. Now I am going to clean the filter. I will still get some water on the floor, but that's why I put the towel on the floor to prevent it from going under the washing machine and damage the floor. I didn't show you that part, but I went and I washed the filter in the bathroom. As you can see, it's very clean. And now I'm going to put it back. Now I'm adding about 1.5 cup of baking soda. And after that, I am going to add about 2 cups of white vinegar. And I am going to run the sanitize cycle. If you don't have the cycle, you can just run your washing machine on hot. And what you can also do, you can also put some vinegar in the softener compartment, or if you're not using vinegar, you can just put some bleach in the bleach compartment. Now I am just spraying some glass cleaner to give it the shine, and I can say that I am all done cleaning the washing machine. I hope that the video was useful to you. If it was, please leave me a comment and let me know that it was useful. That will motivate me a lot. And if you're watching and you're not a subscriber, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications bell so you don't miss another video from me. If you think that the video can be useful to someone, please don't forget to share. I will greatly appreciate it. This is the final result. As you can see, everything is nice and clean and the washing machine smells good. If you have to clean your washing machine, I hope that you get the motivation that you need to go and clean it. You will feel so good after. If you've watched the video until the end, I want to say that you are truly amazing. I thank you so much for watching. I cannot wait to see you in my next one. Bye.